goaltender because how good they are. He's going to get 100 saves in a game. I think that has to be around the corner simply because the position is so strong now, and you can really see with conditioning and so on and diet that these guys seemingly can go on forever.
Okay, I'll get Corey from Michigan. Corey from Michigan, welcome to Hockey Night in Canada Radio with Gord Stellick and Kelly Rudy.
Hey, I got a question for Kelly. I want to know if he thinks that Chris Osgood's going to go in the Hall of Fame, and if he thinks Jimmy Howard can be what Detroit needs him to be long term.
Well, first of all, I hope Osgood goes into the Hockey Hall of Fame. 3 Stanley Cups, an incredible... He was a winning machine, and you look at his winning percentage, and that has to be up there with the best of all time. I know what his reputation kind of suggests, and some people would say that there's no way he goes into the Hockey Hall of Fame, but I say on the contrary. That guy, he adapted to a new game. He reinvented himself. He's a model of consistency. I think that I'd really like him to help others in the mental part of the game, because that's where he is so strong, and that he had a lot of detractors, and yet he is able to come up with the big wins when he needed to, and I hope he does. And Jimmy Howard is a guy that, I think he's what they need. He really exploded on the scene, as you know, Corey, a couple of years ago, and I think he struggled a little bit last year with some consistency, and I know his training camp wasn't good this year, and he suggested that he's got to be way better, and I think he will. He seems to be a really determined guy to me.
Well, the Hall of Fame debates, we always have a lot of them, right. And, the one thing you brought up, a real salient point, unlike, say, Pat Verbeek, who's got incredible stats, and people argue that he should be in the Hall, but you talk about Osgood being with the winner, and that just seems, and it can be very unfair sometimes, just your circumstances, right. But that seems to be, part of the background there, and he's really got it in spades.
Oh, yeah, I would agree, and I would say sometimes always being on a winner like that would add so much pressure to him, because, he didn't get the respect, and it could be perceived that he's the weak link, and yet he just continued to get better, and he's remained consistent all the time, and you knew he fought hard in his own particular way, and I don't think, I'm not the biggest guy for stats, but I think in his case, stats don't lie.
Well, I'll tell you, the bigger story than all the games out there tonight, Kelly.